Dieses Video wird dir präsentiert von Stein-O-Fanten, dem Stein deines Vertrauens. Welcome to a new opening, and today we're gonna open up a display of Digimon X Record BT09. And as usual, the first left part will be in English and the second part will be in German. So we'll dig in the left part first, and after that you have to watch the other video to see the end and to see if we pull some good cards. So stay tuned and let's begin. And welcome back. As you can see, I forgot to mention it, we are live. I'm live streaming right now. I'm gonna do this in live. So yeah, Yogeliana just says I can't, but she can. So let's dig in and see what we can pull. I hope the sound is fine, so I try my best. And yeah, let's dig in. Let's cut a little hole in it, and let's see what we can pull out of this box. There are some cards I need. I really need. So yeah, let's find out if they're inside. So let's see what's the box topper. No. Okay, it's a red Koromon. A red Koromon for our box topper. But yeah, it's okay. It's a red card, but I need green because I mainly play green. But we also have this update pack, and that's pretty funny because I have this in Japanese right here. Wait a second. Let me get it. All the way up in here. So this is my so-called promo pack box, and I have a lot of treasures inside this box. So let's find out, where is this? They're over here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So yeah, come on. Let's get one of them. And let's see what we can get from the Japanese one and from the English one. Oh, I forgot this. Let's put that back. What? On top of it. Alrighty. So let's see. Shall we start first with the English or Japanese one? I'm gonna start with Japanese. Okay, I'm gonna cut it open because I'm collecting that stuff. I also collect those packs, so I need to cut it open. Ooh, carefully, and get this card out of there. So, okay, so there's the Japanese one over here. Let's put that over there. And we're also gonna cut open. Oh, we can see those 6 cards. What's inside? So we have Boutmon, Rare Garurumon, Secretariat mode. Is it that? Like that. Boutmon. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's Deltamon. I think it's, what's his name? I don't know. Let's cut it open and see what we can find inside. Okay, so put this aside. So there's a small chance to get a holo card in here in Japanese. So let's see. Okay, we have a normal Metal Greymon. Maybe we have this in English too, and I can tell you what Metal Greymon it is. Oh yeah, we have it. Okay, it's Metal Greymon Alterous mode. So English and Japanese, that's cool. And we have Deltamon. So I think in the English one it's a super rare or rare card. There will be a rare card in every pack, I think, but in Japanese it's a little bit difficult to get a holo card. So yeah, 1 holo per pack. That's good. So. Oh, that sounds good, Stein-O-Fanten. That sounds good. So let's see what we can pull out of the left side of this display box. Wish me luck. I know there's 1 card I need for my Mata D Reaper deck, so let's dig in and hope for the best. But I think it's a pretty expensive card. I don't know the name of that Digimon. I'm not sure about the name. But let me check it. Let me check. Let me have a look. Okay. Let me have a look. Card set. BT9. Search. Let me have a look. Okay, the one I need is Death Xmon. I need a Death Xmon. And I know it's a... Is it Death Xmon? Or Dextorugamon? I think it's Death Xmon, so... It's one of the expensive cards, so... Let's hope we can get a Death Xmon for my deck. Oh! We're starting strong with Kuwagamon X Antibody for my green X Antibody deck. I think I will do 1. Then we have Divamon. I love this Koki artwork. Oh, it's so beautiful. Then Matadormon. He's a Matador. Oh, that's too many. X Digivolution. Then we have Awakening of the Golden Knight. Chaos Gamamon. Attack of the Heavy Mobile Digimon. Yeah, I like this artwork. Megagaromon, Kerstramon, awesome. Then we have Chokomon X Antibody. Pinyamon X Antibody, and it's also a Koki artwork. I love his artworks, or hers. Then we have Zujinmon. Metal Storm. Oh, look at this artwork. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness, look at that. Is it Metagarurumon? Yeah. And we have Dextorugamon? First pack, a secret rare? What the hell? But it's not the card I need. It's just Dextorugamon. Okay. I need Deathmon X. Death Xmon. How's it called? It's called Death Xmon. That's the Digimon I need for my Mother D Reaper deck. But that's a pretty good start. Let's move on. Alright, first pack. We're starting strong. We're starting strong. My card bucket is full. Alright, we have Sanglupmon, Startling Thunder, sorry. Zamielmon, and it's of course a Koki artwork. Greymon X Antibody, yeah, look at that badass dinosaur. Salamon X Antibody, cute. Grizzlymon, Flare Rock Soul, Dextorugamon, Omni Shoutmon X Antibody. Look at this bad boy. There's so much going on in this artwork. And there's Magnamon X Antibody in the background. Mako Mochizuki. Then we have Metal Impulse and Magnadramon X Antibody as our rare. Let's move on. Let's move on. And let's see. Ninjamon. Okay, that's cool. Looks like a pretty decent card. We have a cute Pillowmon over here. Then Make Crackmon Vicious Mode. Pomumon. Cute. Atamatekachimon. Atamatekachimon. Epidramon. Salamon. In purple. Then we have Dorumon. Pegasusmon. That's good. Then Kokubamon X Antibody. Cool. TK, Takaishi, and Izzy Izumi. Okay, that's cool. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Yo! Omnimon Merciful Mode. Whoa! Okay, that looks awesome. That looks awesome. Oh yeah. Our second secret rare. Wow. Okay, that's pretty impressive. That's really impressive. Oh. Okay, let's move on to Leomon. Then we have Garurumon X Antibody. Starmon. Gazimon X Antibody. Toy Agumon. Ground Fang. Crabmon. Yeah. Ooh, and Chabomon X Antibody. And yeah, it's for the fans, I think. Just for the fans. Maki Himikawa. Pakumon. Metal Storm again, and we have Rice Greymon X Antibody. Ooh, he looks sick. He looks sick. Woo-hoo. Okay, let's move on. And let's see what we can get. We have Bearmon. We have Mini Dekachimon. We have Kausgamamon. Attack of the Heavy Mobile Digimon. Metadormon. Ninjamon. Garurumon X Antibody. X Program, and you can see how the program destroys all the Digimon without the X Antibody. Oh, that poor Kabuterimon and Kunemon. Daigo Nishijima. Koromon! Yay! Oh, that's awesome. Looks good. Then we have Greatmon. And we have Grandis Sister. Okay. Let's move on. Come on, please. Let there be a Death X-Mon. For me. For my deck. The only card I need in this deck. What's missing? The only missing card. So, Death X Digivolution. Well, it looks good. Looks good. Elekmon. Oh, it's so cute. Pillowmon. Pillow. It's a pillow, it's a mon, it's Pillowmon. Awakening of the Golden Knight. Raptor Dramon. It looks awesome. Ebidramon. Zamiemon. Raijinmon. Oh, I love this full artwork. Yeah, that's cool. And it's just a common. Then we have Digimon, and here we go again. Pretty cool. Gabumon, ex-antibody. He looks so cool. I will say that a lot in this video. Garurumon, ex-antibody. Oh, looks sick. And we have TK and Easy. Oh, come on, give me the Death X-Mon. Death X-Mon. Death X-Mon. I need a Death X-Mon. Death X-Mon. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We have Eye of the Gorgon. Not the Demo Gorgon. The Gorgon. X Digivolution. Then we have Startling Thunder. Fire Rock Soul. Leomon X Antibody. He also looks so cool because it's the Koki artwork again. Grizzlymon, Salamon, Tumblemon, Gilmon X Antibody. Yeah. Woohoo. Then we have Dexterugamon, and we have Dinorexmon. Looks so sick. It's just a rare. But it looks so sick. Could be a secret rare. And we have a... Walkgreymon X Antibody. Is it the alternate artwork? It looks so... Yeah, it's the alternate artwork. Yo-ho-ho! What the... Yeah, it is, I think. Wait, let me check. Is it the alternate artwork? Yeah. Sick! Look at... Oh, it deserves a sleeve. It deserves a sleeve. Give me a sleeve. You know, I'm prepared for moments like this. I'm prepared for moments like this. Yo, sick! Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Woo. I don't think that I will get a Death X-Mon. It's the only card I need, but okay. But at least I have a Walkgreymon X Antibody alternate artwork, so I can't complain, I think. I should not complain about that. So, yeah. The left side is a pretty strong side, I think. So, we have Metal Piranimon. Dark Superstarmon. It's dark. And it's Superstarmon. Lordaleomon. Yeah. Hype AF. Hype AF. Pomumon. Congo. Then we have Salamon.
Do it! Make your dreams come true!
Yeah. I have to build a red deck right now. That's what I think. I'm forced to. Piranimon. Megatramon. Atomic Megaloblaster. X Antibody. Raguelmon. Or Raguelmon? Raguelmon? Maybe? I don't know. And we have Dinorexmon again. Whew. I don't think that we can get Death X-Mon in this display anymore. I think the luck is over. But I have only one Kuwagamon X Antibody. I need some more of them. And Okuvamon and all that stuff. So, yeah. Let's hope for the best. Senglopmon. Atamatekachimon. Tesla Jellymon. Looks cool. Gatomon X Antibody. It's the first Kuwagamon X Antibody. And I was complaining. Here it is. The boy. I would love to see a Metal Kabuterimon or Mega Kabuterimon or Kabuterimon, Tetomon, X antibody, that would be sick. Monochromon, and there's the reference to the Monochromon shop in Digimon World 1. It's a pain, but it's cool. Then we have Daivomon, Pagumon, Zujinmon. Look at this. Bad boy. He looks like he looks a little bit like the model kit I built a little bit earlier. They're similar. A little bit similar to each other, so yeah, it's funny. Oh, Koromon again. Here we go. Kiyoshiro Higashimi Tarai. What the hell? Kiyoshiro Higashimi Tarai. I don't know. It's pretty bad. I don't know. Yeah, and Mimi and Joey. Okay, that's a good call. Let's move on. There are 3 packs left for the left side, so let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Alright. We have Gromon X antibody, that's sick. Then Starmon. Makrakmon Vicious Mode. Greymon X antibody. Tapiamon. Crabmon. Bearmon. Raijinmon. Sick. I like this guy. Panyamon. Or Panyamon? I think it's Panyamon. Dextoru Greymon. Then we have Sunrise Buster. And after that, Tai and Kari. Cool. So, only 2 packs left for the left side, so let's hope to see something good again, but it's a pretty strong left side, so. Okay, we have Mini Dekachimon. Ground Fang. Gazimon X antibody. Ooh, that boy looks sick. Toyagumon. Makrakmon Vicious Mode. Focus camera. Metal Piranimon. Tapiamon. Daigo Nishijima. Omni Shoutmon X antibody. X program. Then we have Grainmon. And last but not least, Grandis Kuwagamon! Yes! Yes. Yes. Whoo. It looks good. It looks pretty good. That's a good start, I think. Whew, it's a pretty strong start. Okay, last pack. Can we get some last pack magic for the left side? But we are blessed with so many good cards. So many good cards. Okay, let's see. We have Tesla Jellymon. Then we have Sangloopmon. Atameta Kachimon. Pilomon. X Digivolution. Pomumon. Death X Digivolution. Okubamon X Antibody. Finally. Nefertimon. Ooh. Dorumon. Then we have Mad and Sora and oh, I gotta throw it away. It's Soul Digitalization, I think. Well, I think that's a pretty strong start for the left side. So let's hope for the best for the right side, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. So stay tuned, and yeah, that's it. Bye.